indigestion can be vicious during pregnancy, but these painful conditions can also be easily fixed with a few simple movements. If we focus on lifting the ribcage upwards, it creates more space for the stomach. It reduces compression in the esophagus and can stop the rise of the bile acids that cause the heartburn. So for our heartburn and indigestion fix, we're going to focus on creating length in the torso by extending the arms up and over the head. Come into a comfortable seated position, and as you breathe in, extend your arms all the way up over the head, and then start to lengthen through the sides of the body by reaching one arm up and then the other. Feel the length being created through the sides of the body. And then catch hold of opposite elbows and then draw the elbows up towards the ceiling so you can feel the rib cage lifting up away from the belly. Exhale, lean over to the right side, and as you inhale, come back to the center. Exhale over to the opposite side. Inhale, come back to the center. And just repeat that a few more times. This movement is really good at stopping indigestion and heartburn while you're having an attack, or if you do it shortly after you've had a meal, it can prevent the heartburn from happening. And when you're ready, just release the arms and have another little stretch up to the ceiling. Lower the hands all the way down. Come into a comfortable standing position and take your feet about hip width apart. We're going to do those same elbow stretches that we did when we were sitting. Reach the arms up, grab hold of the opposite elbows and lengthen through the body. Bend the knees. Exhale, reach over to the right side. On the inhale, back to center. Exhale, come over to the left side. Inhale, come back to the center. Continue to do that with each breath. Keep the knees bent. Keep the legs strong, so keep pushing into the feet. Keep elongating through the sides of the body. Keep lengthening up through the elbows. This standing version is slightly easier than the sitting. So this time when you go over to the side, you're going to sweep all the way down to the ground and then up to the other side. And then changing sides. As you come over to the left side, sweep all the way down to the floor and back up to the right side. Continue with the breath. Keep the knees really bent so there's no strain in the back. This is a lovely stretch for the hips, the shoulders, and the spine. Again, keep the legs strong. You're bringing strength into the legs as you do these movements. And then release the hands and come down. So our last standing heartburn stretch is the chi ball stretch. You might need to take the feet a little bit wider for this one. And then you're going to imagine that you're holding a beach ball or a chi ball. This is a Tai Chi exercise. Bend the knee and reach up to the right side. The left leg will stay straight. Relax the shoulders. Exhale, sweep down to the floor. And inhale, reach up to the other side. So now the left knee will bend, the right leg will straighten. And just continue with the breath to sweep through from side to side. On the exhale, you come back through the center, both knees bend. On the inhale, you reach up and lengthen through the sides of the body. Exhale, come back through the center, inhale, lengthen. Knees stay soft, lengthening through the sides of the body. Shoulders stay relaxed. And when you finish, to come back up to center, roll the shoulders back. And just bring the heels in, the toes in, the heels and the toes in. Come all the way back into a comfortable standing position.